In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a watermark in Microsoft Word. Sometimes, when you're dealing with professional or academic documents, you might face the challenge of eliminating a watermark that's been previously embedded. Whether it's due to the need for a cleaner look or simply wanting to start anew with your document design, removing a watermark is a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through each step. First, we need to open your document in Microsoft Word. Once you have your document open, direct your attention to the top of the window. You'll find several tabs here, and the one we're interested in is the Design tab. This tab is usually located between the Insert and Layout tabs. Clicking on the Design tab opens a variety of options that deal with the overall look and feel of your document, offering you tools that range from themes to headers. Now, let's focus on the Page Background group, which is situated towards the far right of the Design tab. Within this group, you'll see a few options, one of which is the Watermark button. This button allows you to add, customize, or in this case, remove a watermark. Click on the Watermark button, which will reveal a drop-down menu. In this drop-down menu, you'll see several watermark options like Confidential, or Draft. However, what we're interested in for this tutorial is at the very bottom of this drop-down list, and that's the option labeled Remove Watermark. Clicking on Remove Watermark will instantly remove any watermark that's been applied to your document, restoring your pages to their original clarity. It's worth noting that once you remove the watermark, it will be removed from every page of your document. This way, you maintain consistency throughout the entire document. If, for some reason, the watermark persists, double-check that you have indeed selected the Remove Watermark option from the drop-down. Occasionally, there could be a glitch or a specific setting in your document that prevents the removal. In such rare cases, restarting Word or your computer can sometimes rectify these minor issues. By following these simple steps, you should now have a document free of any watermarks, allowing you a clean slate for any further editing, sharing, or printing without distractions. This is a quick solution that can have a big impact on the professionalism and readability of your documents. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this tutorial helpful. If you did, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos for more useful tips.